11 more positive cases of COVID-19 are confirmed in Nagaland. The state's total active cases stand at 36. Dimapur has the highest number of cases at 22, followed by 9 in Kohima and 5 in Twengsang. So far, all the positive cases reported in the state have all been linked to the returnees from Chennai. Nagaland Board of School Education declared the state HSLC and HSSLC examinations 2020 results today. 15,680 out of 22,392 that appeared for the examination qualified exams with a pass percentage of 70.03. 11,264 people have recovered and 7,964 fresh cases of COVID-19 have been reported in the country during the last 24 hours. Total number of cases stand at 1,73,763. The good news is that recovery rate is 47.40% in the country. Well, hello, welcome to News and Trends, and you're watching the Daily News Bulletin. 11 more positive cases of COVID-19 were confirmed in Nagaland this morning, bringing the state's total tally to 36. This was informed by Nagaland Health Minister S. Pangyuphom in a Twitter as of 7:39 a.m. in the morning. Alert: 9 male and 2 female, all returnees from Chennai, tested COVID-19 positive, 8 at Dimapur and 3 at Kohima. The health minister posted on his Twitter account informing about the latest COVID-19 status in Nagaland. Accordingly, the total number of active cases in the state is 36. Overall, Dimapur has the highest number of cases at 22, followed by 9 in Kohima and 5 in Twengsang. So far, all the positive cases reported in the state have all been linked to the returnees from Chennai. The Nagaland Board of School Education (NBSC) has declared the High School Living Certificate (HSLC) and Higher Secondary School Living Certificate (HSSLC) examinations 2020 results today. In a result notification, the NBSC informed that in the HSLC examinations 2020, out of the 22,392 that appeared for the examination, 15,680 students qualified the exams with a pass percentage of 70.03, while private schools accounted for 86.28 pass percentage out of the total of 14,901 that appeared. 12,857 cleared the exams. Government schools, on the other hand, had 47.40 pass percentage, with 2,140 candidates clearing the exams out of the total of 4,515 that appeared. Abhi Chakraborty of Holy Cross Higher Secondary School, Dimapur, topped the list of HSLC 2020 examinations, securing 590 marks with a pass percentage of 98.33%. Palak Bade of Don Bosco Higher Secondary School, Dimapur, came second, and Imli Benla Jamir of Fernhood, Kohima, secured the top 3 position. In the HSSLC examinations 2020 in arts stream, out of 15,598 that enrolled for the exams, a total of 8,335 candidates cleared the exams with a pass percentage of 71.87. Jumligba R from Loyola Higher Secondary School, Kifri, topped the list, securing 460 marks with 92% of marks. In commerce stream, 1,337 enrolled for exams and 1,009 candidates passed the exams with a total pass percentage of 75.47%. Icha Upadhyaya of Christian Higher Secondary School, Dimapur, topped the list with 498 marks with a pass percentage of 98.80%. In science stream, a total of 2,525 enrolled for exams, of which 2,045 cleared the exams with a total pass percentage of 80.99. Anushka Bhattacharjee of Pranab Vidyapith Higher Secondary School, Dimapur, top scored the exam in this category, securing 476 total marks with 95.20% of marks. NBSC chairperson Asano Sekose in a notification stated that the results have been made available in the internet, SMS and printed form. In view of the lockdown due to COVID-19 pandemic and in order to maintain social distancing, the board will issue the documents to the centre's superintendents only from June 5. Meanwhile, Nagaland Chief Minister Nifi has congratulated all the successful candidates of HSLC and HSSLC examinations 2020. In a tweet, Rio said, and I quote, "Congratulate all who have passed the HSLC and HSSLC examinations under NBSC Nagaland. You have reached a milestone in empowering yourselves for the future. Those who couldn't pass your exam, I encourage you not to give up, but be persistent and try again. Best wishes to all for a successful future." Unquote. Health and Family Welfare Ministry has said that a total of 82,370 people affected with coronavirus have been cured and the recovery rate has reached 47.40% in the country. During the last 24 hours, 11,264 people have recovered and 7,964 fresh cases of COVID-19 have been reported, taking the total number of cases to 1,73,763. This is the highest spike in fresh cases in one day since the outbreak of COVID-19 pandemic in India. Health Ministry said 265 deaths have been registered in last 24 hours, taking the nationwide toll to 4,971. India is the 9th worst hit nation by the COVID-19 pandemic. According to the Health Ministry data updated in the morning, the highest number of confirmed cases in the country are from Maharashtra at 62,228, followed by Tamil Nadu at 20,246, Delhi at 17,386, and Gujarat at 15,934. The total number of COVID-19 cases in Assam rose to 1,100 today afternoon after 43 fresh cases were reported from various places in Assam. In a tweet, State Health Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma said, "Alert! 43 new cases of COVID-19 positive, 5 Dhubri, 5 Golaghat, 3 Barbeta, 1 Bongaigaon, 29 by various labs, districts to be confirmed." The state now has 968 active cases and 125 patients have already recovered and 4 persons have died of the coronavirus. Assam yesterday recorded the highest single-day spike with 177 fresh cases. Global COVID-19 cases reached 59,31,293 with over 3,65,025 deaths. In terms of total number of confirmed cases, the United States is the worst hit with 17,47,087. The US also tops the list of deaths with 1,02,836, followed by the UK, Italy, France, Spain, Brazil, Belgium, Mexico, Germany, and Iran in the top 10. Meanwhile, in terms of cases, Brazil comes in the second place with 4,65,166 infections. This was followed by Russia with 3,87,623 and the UK at 2,72,607. Regarding fatalities, the UK continues in the second position after the US with 38,243 COVID-19 deaths. Under Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana PMKSY per drop more crop scheme, which is basically drip or irrigation project, Dimapur district has installed more than 200 units at different fruit and vegetable farms covering several villages under the initiative of District Horticulture Officer Dimapur Temsil Longkomer. DHO Dimapur has been personally inspecting farms, interacting with farmers and encouraging them to produce more for self-sufficiency and income generation with the help of modern scientific technology provided by the government. Speaking to DPRO Dimapur, one Mohinder from North Bengal Irrigation, who is also the technician in charge for installation of per drop per crop scheme for Nagaland, narrated that he has surveyed the entire districts of Nagaland for the said project. He informed that project work under Dimapur district was nearing completion under the initiative of DHO Dimapur Temse. The second phase would be carried out at Kohima district, Mohindra said.
এইটো কিন্তু ড্ৰিপ ইৰিগেশ্যনটো হৰ্টিকালচাৰ পৰা এইটো দি আছে এইটো কাৰণটো মই কাৰণটো ডিমাপুৰতে বেছি কৰি আছে ডিমাপুৰতে না এইটো 250 300 নিচিনা কৰিবলৈ আছে আৰু এইটো খতম হোৱাৰ পিছতে মই কাৰণটো কহিমাতে যাবলৈ আছে এইটো সামান কাৰণটো এইটো নিটাফিম লগা ইজৰাইল লগা আছে এইটো ড্ৰিপ ইৰিগেশ্যন লগা সামান কাৰণটো না এইটো সামান কাৰণ বেছি ভাল আছে এইটো একবাৰ লগালে তো ভাল পৰা মেইনটেনেন্স কৰিলে তো 5 years 7 years তো একো নহয়.
Speaking about the drip irrigation project, he observed that normal watering by cane loosened the roots. On the contrary, drip falls drop by drop, making the fruits and vegetables healthy and also enhances water use efficiency.
এইটো ড্রিপ ইরিগেশন হালাতো খেতিতে তো বেশি ভালো আছে ও এইটো কিলে মানে এইটো ড্রিপ ইরিগেশন হালাতো এইটো গাছ লাগে গ্রোথ আর এইটো ফ্রুট কারণে বেশি ভাল বলা ওলাই থাকে কিলে মানে মাটি তো ইমান পানি তো ইমান বিয়াবি না হয় ওয়াটার মুইখান লাগা ওয়াটার সেভ বি হয়ে থাকে আর উইন্টার সিজনতে পানি হালা ঠিক টাইমতে মুইখান পানি হালি বলে পারে পানি খরচা বি কমতি আছে আর এইটো কান তো ফ্রুট বি ভাল বলা ওলা বলে আছে এইটো রুট খান বি তাই বেশি গ্রোথ হয়ে থাকে না এইটো এনেকে ড্রিপ ইরিগেশন হালাতো বেশি ভাল বলা মেইনটেইন করলে মুইখান লাগা বেশি লাভ বি পাই থাকে.
Mention may be made that PMKSY was launched on 1st July 2015 with an objective to achieve convergence of investments in irrigation sector at field level. The scheme aims at providing end-to-end solutions in irrigation supply chain. Micro-irrigation is an integral component of the scheme to maximize water use efficiency at farm level. PMKSY adopts state-level planning and projectized execution that allows states for drawing up their own irrigation development based on district irrigation plans and state irrigation plans. The Ministry of Home Affairs today issued fresh guidelines for phased reopening of all activities outside containment zones for the next 1 month till June 30th. On the other hand, non-containment zones can open in a phased manner. According to the advisory, all places of worship, shopping malls and hotels can reopen from June 8. Night curfew will stay in place from 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. Legislator in charge of Parent District for COVID-19, Temjen Imna Along, Minister of Higher and Technical Education and Tribal Affairs, and Namri Chang, Advisor Water Resources, visited District Hospital Parent today to oversee the ongoing preparedness of the hospital and also to take stock of the infrastructure available at District Hospital Parent. The officials, after inspecting COVID-19 isolation ward and special operation theatre, had an interaction with the medical staff of DH Parent, civil societies and NGOs. Addressing the meeting, Imna Along lauded the medical fraternity and other frontline workers for rendering their selfless services to contain COVID-19 in the district. He said that the ventilator for the hospital will soon arrive in the district. However, the hospital may need a specialist to operate the ventilator. Deputy Commissioner Twengsang Kumar Ramnikant has notified to all concerned that in view of the prevailing scenario of COVID-19 and highly contagious nature of the pandemic, and as decided by the District Task Force meeting to extend the institutional quarantine period for the interstate returnees to Twengsang district up to 28 days in place of 14 days, prescribed under the SOP issued by the Government of Nagaland. The implementation of this additional 14 days period of institutional quarantine requires huge expenditure for necessary resources mobilization. In this regard, a committee has been constituted for conducting the fundraising or donation drive on behalf of DTF. The committee will voluntarily seek the donations in form of cash, kind, online donations and report to the District Task Force. The following account may be used for online donations. The Institutional Quarantine Center at Livingstone Foundation International at Kevijau Thayeka village, which is being managed by the Western Sumi Ho and Western Sumi Akuko Khaglu in collaboration with the District Administration Dimapur, is keeping the morale and spirit of the inmates at the center by singing songs of praise and worship. The WSBAK members are doing this exercise on a daily basis to promote the morale of the inmates, mostly women and children. Now, Gru and the popular yellow minions from the animated Despicable Me movie franchise are urging people to keep their distance to help fight the spread of the novel coronavirus in a new public service announcement PSA unveiled on Wednesday. Illumination, the animation studio behind Despicable Me, developed the public service announcement PSA with the World Health Organization and the United Nations Foundation. The PSA is voiced by actor Steve Carell as Gru and will be translated into multiple languages including Spanish, French, Portuguese, and Arabic, among others. In the minute-long PSA, Gru urges people to wash their hands regularly and keep physical distance, find fun things to do at home such as dancing and cooking a new dish, and to be kind to others.
Hello everybody, it's me, Gru. But you already knew that. And I've got some tips to help you get through this challenging time. First, practice physical distancing.
I'm sorry, I did not see you there.
I've been doing it my whole life.
Or there.
Plus, there are lots of things you can do at home, like stay active with some sick dance moves, be daring, and whip up a new dish. I love the combination of gummy bears with meat. You can do video calls for all of your important meetings.
What?
Sorry. Or just have some fun. Okay, not that much fun. Now, this does not come naturally to me, but try to be kind to each other. This is a tough time for everyone. So, that's it. Stay home, stay healthy, and remember, we're all in this together.
What?
But totally separate. You know what I mean.
And with that, we come to the end of this broadcast. Do subscribe to us on our YouTube channel and also follow us on Twitter and Facebook as well. You can also write into us with your comments and feedback at our email address, that is newsandtrends.nl@gmail.com. Remember to stay home, stay safe, and take good care of yourself. From all of us here, it's bye for now, and thanks for watching.